Now we turn our attention to home loans. In this question, we're given the specs for a loan that describe a house with a selling price of $229,500, an interest rate of 5%, a term of 20 years, and it requires a 15% down payment, and results in a monthly payment. We've been using capital M for monthly payments recently, of $1,287.50. So good practice to write down all the information and then start to think about what we're supposed to do with that info. First thing is to find a down payment. Well, 15% down means that the down payment is going to be 15% of the selling price. So we calculate 15% of the selling price, which is $34,425, and that's our down payment. Second, we're asked for the total amount they'll pay for the house. Something interesting here is we don't need the interest rate to calculate this. That's extraneous information, and it happens. You have to get used to the fact that in life and in math, which is part of life, I guess, sometimes you're not told exactly the information you need and nothing else. Sometimes you have to figure out what is actually relevant. Well, what we're going to do to find the total amount paid for the house is first, over 20 years, at 12 payments a year, and $1,287.50 a month, that's the total amount of the payments. 12 payments a year times 20 years times the monthly payment, and that works out to be $309,000. But of course, that's not everything that's going to be paid for the house. There's also the down payment, which we calculated to be $34,425. And so we add those two results together to get the total amount that this family will pay for the house. And it works out to be $343,425. There's the total amount they will pay for their $229,500 home.